Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, working as an assistant professor in RPIT campus. So in last video we are discussing about the cyber jurisprudence. So in this video we are discussing about this that topic jurisprudence and with how it is related to the law. So jurisprudence is the study of philosophy or law, and it helps to understand what is law, why law exists, how law operates, and how legal rules evolve and affect society. So it does not create law but provide theoretical understanding of how its nature and its their application. So in this video we are discussing about the relationship between jurisprudence and law. So if we talk side by side like jurisprudence and law, jurisprudence is abstract and theoretical while law is concrete and applied. Jurisprudence explain why and how of law regard law is tells that what is legal and illegal. Jurisprudence say jurisprudence is concerned with justice, fairness, and rights, while law deals with rules, penalties, and enforcement. Jurisprudence studies evolution and necessity of laws, while law applies in court, contracts, and crimes. Jurisprudence influences lawmakers and judges, while law enforced by the police, judiciary, and government. In short, jurisprudence is the philosophy behind the law, while law is practical framework that governs the behavior. There are some types of jurisprudence like legal theories. Like first is an analytical jurisprudence. In this we focuses on legal concept, definition, and structures like what is a contract. Next is normative jurisprudence. In this we explores moral and ethical aspect of law like should privacy be a right. Next is historical jurisprudence. In this we studied how law evolved over time with custom and tradition. Next is sociological jurisprudence. In this we considers the social context and impact of laws. Next is realistic jurisprudence. It focuses on how judges interpret and apply laws in the real cases. There are some applications of jurisprudence in cyber law. Let's discuss one by one. So it helps in create balanced cyber law based on ethics, rights, and justice. Aid in interpreting new digital rights like right to privacy online, freedom of expression on the internet, data ownership, and consent. Guides lawmaker and court in framing or judges cases like cyberbullying, hacking, and digital defamation. So there are some roles of jurisprudence in addressing cyber issues like cyber crime, what punishment is just and fair. Regarding the data privacy issue, jurisprudence concern about the how does the individual have a natural right to digital privacy. AI decisions like can machine can be held legally accountable. Issues like free speech online. The concern is that how we balance freedom with regulation of hate speech. The issue like cross-border data flow. Their concern is which legal system should apply. So jurisprudence provide a philosophy leans to evaluate these emerging issues. So jurisprudence and legal reforms. So jurisprudence plays a major role in law reforms, especially in the cyber law, like challenges outdated laws, support creation of flexible tech-aware legal system, promotes human right-based approach to cyber governance. That is, if you talk about example, the Indian Supreme Court judgment in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy v. Union of India 2070. It declared privacy a fundamental right, settling the foundation for the digital privacy laws. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much.